Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix pictures not downloading in iMessage on iPhone in iOS 16.5. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Turn off and on iMessage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap message. On the message page, turn off iMessage, then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 3. Reset network setting. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset network setting. Enter your phone passcode. Again reset network setting in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Solution number 3. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap general. On the general page, scroll down, tap shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Thanks for watching this video.